Good morning, students. Welcome to JVS Kannauj. Student of class 8. Now, today in this video, we have discussed exercise 11.4, where we have find out the total surface area of cube and cuboid, CSA of cube and cuboid, and also volume of the cube and cuboid. So, question number 1: find the value of the following solid shapes. Given side of each unit cube is 1 centimeter. So question number 1, part A, length of cuboid equal 5 unit, and breadth of cuboid equals 3 units, and height equal 1 unit. Height equal 1 unit or 1 centimeter. So when we find the value of cuboid, equal length into breadth into h. The value of 5 into 3 into 1 centimeter cube. So 5 3 are 15 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is 15 centimeter cube. In the B part of the question, length equal 6 centimeter and breadth equal 1 centimeter. And height is also equal 1 centimeter. So when we find value equal, so 6 into 1 into 1 centimeter cube equals to 6 centimeter cube. This time we have to solve the question number 1. Now question number 2, find the total surface area and lateral surface area and volume of cuboid whose dimensions are given below. Question number 2, part A, length equal 10 centimeter and breadth equal 8 centimeter and height equal 6 centimeter. So we have to find out the TSA, LSA and volume of cuboid. So first one, total surface area equal 2 bracket LP plus PH plus HF. So 2 bracket L10 B8 plus 8 into 6 plus 6 into 10 centimeter square. 10 into 80 plus 6 into 48 plus 6 into 60 centimeter square. Then add, so 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Then multiply 2 into 188, 2 8 16, 2 16 plus 1 17, 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 376 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this cuboid. Then lateral surface area, formula of this 2 bracket L plus B into H. 2 bracket value of L 10 and value of B 8 and value of height, that is 6 centimeter square. 10 plus 8, 18, 2 into 18 multiplied by 6 centimeter square equal 18 to 36, 36 6 216, 216 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cuboid equal, that is 216 centimeter square. Then find the volume of this cuboid. Volume equal length into breadth into h. So length is given 10, breadth 8 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Centimeter cube. 10 8 ja 80 and 80 multiplied by 6, 8 ja 48. So 480 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is 480 centimeter cube. This time we have solved the remaining part of question number 2. In the each part we have solved the total surface area, lateral surface area and volume of cuboid. Now question number 3, where we have given the edges of cubes. You have to find out the total surface area and lateral surface area and volume of each cube. Question number 3, part A, where edge is given 8 centimeter, edge equal 8 centimeter. First find out the total surface area of cube. So it is equals to 6 into edge square. Edge is given 8 centimeter, so 6 into 8 square. 8 8 ja 64, 6 into 64 centimeter square. So 6 4 ja 24, 6 6 ja 36 plus 2, 384 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of cube. Then find the lateral surface area of cube. Equals to 4 into edge square. So 4, edge is given 8, so 8 square. Four into 8 8 ja 64, 4 into 64 centimeter square. 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 25. So 256 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cube is 256 centimeter square. Then find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equals to h cube, h to power 3. H is given 8 centimeter, so 8 cube, and cube of 8, that is equals to 512 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is 512 centimeter cube. So this time we have to solve the remaining part of the question number 3. Now question number 4, a cuboidal water reservoir contains 1,62,800 liter of water. If the length of the reservoir is 8 meter and its breadth is given 5.5 meter, then find the depth of the reservoir. Depth means that is the find out the height of the reservoir. So value is given in the liter. So volume of reservoir equal 1,62,800 liter, and the length equal 8 meter, and breadth is given 5.3 meter. 5.5 meter. Breadth equal 5.5 meter. So we have to find out the height of the reservoir. So volume of reservoir that equals to LBH 162,800 liter. 1 liter equal 1000 meter cube. So divide by 1000 equal length is given 8 and breadth is given 5.5 and height we have to find out h. 20 divided by 2 zeros, then h equal 1628 upon 10 into 8 into 5.5. When we root the decimal point, 1 0 cancel out. Then divide 11 5 ja 55, 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44, 11 8 ja 88. Then divide by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14. So h equal 37 upon 10. So 37 upon 10 that equals to 3.7 meter. So the depth of the wire is 3.7 meter. Now question number 5. 3 cubes each of side 4 cm are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. 3 cubes each of side 4 cm joined end to end. So 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So length becomes 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter and height also 4 centimeter. So the value of the resulting cuboid, value of resulting cuboid equal LBH, so length 12 into breadth 4 into 4 centimeter square. 12 4 ja 48, 48 into 4 centimeter cube. So 4 8 ja 32, 4 by 16 plus 3 19, 192 centimeters cube. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So surface area equal to bracket LB plus BH plus HL. 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 12 into 4. 12 4 ja 48 plus 4 4 ja 16 plus 12 4 ja 48 centimeter square. So 2 into 48 48 96 96 plus 16 112. 2 into 112 centimeter square is equals to 224 centimeter square. So resulting surface area of the cuboid equal 224 centimeter square. Now question number 6. Surface area is given 4150 centimeter square of a cuboid. The length and breadth are given. Find the height. So you have to solve the question by yourself. Apply the formula of value of TSA of cuboid, then put the value of TSA and length and breadth. So you have to find out the height of the resulting cuboid. Now question number 7. The internal dimensions of Kewadian room are given. Find the total cost of whitewashing all 4 walls of the room. The cost of whitewashing is 7 rupees per meter square. Length of room is given 13 meter. Breadth given 9 meter and height is given 4.5 meter. So first we have to find out the area of 4 walls of the room. Area of 4 walls of the room equal to bracket L plus B into H. L is 13, 13 plus 9 into 4.5 meter square. So 2 into 13 plus 9, 22 into 4.5 meter square. 45 to 90 decimal after one place, so 9.0 into 22. 218, 218 plus 119, 198 meter square. So this is the area of 4 walls of the room. Then find the cost of 7 rupees per meter square. So cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing equal 7 rupees per meter square. So 7 into area. Area is given 198. 7 area 56. 7 area 63 plus 5 68. 7 area 7 plus 6 13. 1,386 rupees. This is the cost of whitewashing of the room. Now question number 8. An iron tank 20 meter long, 10 meter wide and 8 meter deep. So these are the length, breadth and height of the iron tank is given to be made from iron sheet 4 meter wide. If tank is open from the top, then find the cost of iron sheet at the rate of 75 rupees per meter. So first we have to find out the area of iron tank. 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL and subtract L into B because tank is open from the top. So L into B subtracted. So we get the resulting area, and the width of the iron sheet is given 4 meter. Then area divided by 4 meter. So we get the length of the iron sheet. Then you have to multiply length of iron sheet to the rate of cost of iron is given 75 per meter. So multiply by 75. So we get the answer of this question. Now question number 9. A metal cube is melted to form 3 smaller cubes of edge. Edges are given 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Find the edge of the original metal cube. Question number 9. Edges of 3 smaller cubes is given. And the side 1 is 3 centimeter. Side 2, edge of second cube is 4 centimeter, and side of edge of first cube 5 centimeter. When we find the edge of the original metal cube, so first we have to find out the volume of all the 3 cubes. So volume of small cubes equal, so 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube centimeter cube. So 3 3 या 9 या 27 plus 4 4 या 16 4 या 64 and plus 5 5 या 25 5 या 125 centimeter cube. Then add 7 4 11 5 16 1 is carry 2 1 3 6 3 9 9 2 11 1 plus 1 2 216 centimeter cube. So this is the area of the all three small cubes. Then when we form the edge of the original metal cube, so edge of original metal cube equals to cube root of value, and we already find the value of the small cubes 216 centimeter cube. So cube root of 216 is the cube of 6. So the age of original metal cube equals 6 centimeter. Now question number 10. How many cube of side 3 centimeter can we cut from a solid cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given 21, 9 and 15 respectively? So we have to find out the volume of cube, length into breadth into height, and the volume of one cube. Then divide the total volume of cuboid to the volume of one cube. So we get the number of cubes we obtained. Now question number 11. The dimensions of pool are given in the 4:3:1. So let the length equal 4x and breadth equal 3x and height equal x meter, because in the form of ratio 4:3:1, and value is also given 6144 meter cube, 6144 meter cube. In the form of numerical value is 6144 meter cube, and apply the formula of volume of cuboid. So value equal length into breadth into height. So 4x into 3x into x. 4 3 12 is equals to 12x cube equal 6144, because both are the value in the terms of variable and in terms of numerical value. So x cube equal 6144 divided by 12. Then divide 12 5 ja 60, 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So we get 512. X cube equal 512 and 512. Then x equal cube root of 512. So x equal 8 meter. So value of x is 8 meter. Then find the length. So we have length equal 8 4 ja 32 meter, breadth equal 8 3 ja 24 meter, and height equal 3 meter. So we have find out the dimensions of the pool. Then find the TSA of pool, total surface area of the pool. So total surface area of pool, and pool in the form of cuboid, apply the formula of TSA of cuboid. So 2 bracket LB, L is 32 into 24 plus BH 24 into 3 plus HL 3 into 32 meter square. Then multiply 24 2 ja 48, 4 is carry, 24 3 ja 72 plus 4 76 768 plus 24 3 ja 72 plus 32 3 96 meter square. Then add, so 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, 6 1 7, 7 14, 14 9 23, 2 is carry, 7 2 9, 936. Then multiply 2 6 12, 2 3 6 1 7, and 2 9 19, 1872 meter square. See the total surface area of cube. Now question number 13. Question number 12. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 30 liter per minute. The dimensions of the reservoir is 9 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter. Then find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So first we have to find out the volume of reservoir. Rate of water is given, liter per minute. Then find the volume of reservoir. Equal length into breadth into height. 9 into 4 into 6, 9 into 4 into 6 meter cube. 9 4 36 plus 36 into 6, 216 meter cube. The rate is given 30 liter per minute. Convert into meter cube. 1 liter equal 1000 meter cube. So 30 into 1000 in per minute. Then find the time taken. So time taken equal 30 into 1000 divided by 216. So 3 7 21, 3 2 6. So we have 10,000 upon 72. Convert into hour. So 12 6 72, 12 5 60. Would you divide by 2 zeros? 6 3 18, 6 6 36, 3 1 3, 3 2 6. So we have 12 into 10, then 12 10 122, 120 hours. So time taken by reservoir equal 120 hours. Now question number 13. A cube of side 5 cm is painted on all its faces. If it is sliced into 1 cubic centimeter cubes, then how many 1 cubic centimeter cubes will have exactly one of their faces painted? So first we have to find out the value of original cube. 5 cube, 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125 centimeter cube. Then when 1 cubic centimeter sliced, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर एज कम हो जाएगी आपकी, then it becomes new edge 5 minus 1 equals to 4 centimeter. Then value of resulting cube so its edge is 4 centimeters, so cube of 4 so equals to 116 centimeter cube. Then how many 1 cubic centimeter cubes? So number of cubes equal 125 minus 216. 15 minus 6 9 4 4 64 64. 125 minus 64. 5 minus 4 1 and 12 minus 6 6 61. Now question number 14. A swimming pool 200 meter by 50 meter and has a average depth of 2 meter. So you have to find out the volume of the swimming pool. Length is given 200, breadth is given 50 and height is given 2 meter. By the end of summer day the water level drops by 2 centimeter. Then how many cubic centimeter of water is lost on that day? Then after level is dropped by 2 centimeter, then find the new value when the water level is dropped. Then subtract the original value to the new value. So we get the how many cubic meter of water lost on that day. Question number 15. A covered wooden box in the inner measure 115 by 75 by 35 and thickness of the wood is given 2.5. Then find the volume of the cuboid. Question number 15. A covered wooden box has the inner measure measurement is given length equal 115 centimeter and breadth equal 75 centimeter and height equal 35 centimeter and thickness of the board is given 2.5. centimeter. So first we have to find out the external value, then internal value, then subtract the external value to the internal value. So we get the volume of the wood. So external value equal so we have to find out the first case one external value. External length 2.5 meter width, so L equal 115 plus 2 into 2.5 equal 120 centimeter. The breadth becomes 75 plus 2 into 2.5 equal 80 centimeter and height 35 plus 2 into 2.5 equal equal 40 centimeter. And the volume of wood equal external value minus internal value. External value 120 into 80 into 40 minus 115 into 75 into 35 centimeter cube. The 12 at ja 96 4 ja 384. So 384 3 zeros minus 115 into 75 into 35 3018 75 centimeter cube. When we subtract, we get 82,125 centimeter cube. So this is the value of wood. Now question number 16. A cuboid has a total surface area 94 meters square and lateral surface area 70 meters square, and find the area of its base. Area of its base means find the length into breadth, and also find its volume if the height is given 5 meter. So total surface area is given TSA equal 94 meters square and lateral surface area is also given 70 meters square. So we know that TSA equal to bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equals to 94. Then we divide by 2. So LB plus BH plus HL equal 94 upon 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 47. Then apply the formula of lateral surface area of cuboid. 2 bracket L plus B, and the height is given 5 into 5 equals 70. 2 5 ja 10, so L plus B equal 70 divided by 10 equals 7 centimeter. L plus B equals 7. So LB plus carry H, L plus B equal 47. So LB plus H is given 5 and L plus B is given 70 upon 10, 7 equal 47. So LB equal 47 minus 35. So LB equal 12. So area of base equal 12 meter square. Area of base equal 12 meter square. Then find its value. Find the length and breadth separately. Value equal LBH, and LB is given 12 and H is given 5. So 12 5 ja 60 meter cube. So value of cuboid is 60 meter cube. The student is the exercise 11.4 where we have discussed the volume, area and total surface area of cube and cuboid. To solve the questions, if you have any doubt, so ask on the WhatsApp class and also on math group. Thank you, students.